Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are building a website with Squarespace and want visitors to contact you directly in 2026, adding a contact form is the cleanest and most professional solution. Squarespace forms are built in, secure and work without plugins or code. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add a contact form in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, log into Squarespace. Okay, open your website, go to pages, open or create a contact page. Okay, so then click edit. You must be in the page edit mode. Okay, so this is the contact page. Okay, so now add a form. So hover where you want the form. Okay, click add block. Okay, select form. The form appears instantly. Default fields are added automatically. This is the main contact form block. Okay, so customize form fields. Click the form, edit form fields. Okay, and you can rename fields, delete unnecessary fields, add new fields like name, email, phone, message, drop down, checkbox. So keep forms short to increase submissions. Okay, so set the form submission storage. So click storage, choose where messages go, email, Google Drive, Squarespace storage, MailChimp, or other tools. At minimum, enable email so you receive messages. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.